Hi, my name is Dr. Joe Childs, and welcome to the Ask Dr. Childs Dr. Durr website. Maybe you're online right now because you're frustrated. Frustrated because either you or a loved one is suffering with a chronic health condition and you're looking for some answers. Maybe you're worried. Maybe you're concerned because every doctor you go to is telling you you have to learn to live with the problem. Maybe you're sick of being on the medical merry-go-round, where every doctor you go to is giving you just another pill. Or maybe you're online right now because you have been just diagnosed with a new condition and you're looking for some answers. Maybe you're not even familiar with the term. You're not familiar with the condition you've been diagnosed with. Maybe you're online because you're looking for a health professional that can help you with the specific health problem that you've been diagnosed with. Well, I want to let you know that this website has incredible amounts of information, and it's been designed specifically for people like you, people who are looking for some answers for particular health problems. If you look on the left-hand sidebar here, you'll see a whole list of conditions that we've been incredibly successful in treating without the use of drugs and surgery. Peripheral neuropathies, fibromyalgia, migraine headaches, chronic disc problems, herniated and bulging discs, children with autism, children with ADHD, Asperger's syndrome. You can click on any one of those and you'll find incredible amounts of information. One of my frustrations that I have as a doctor is when patients come up to me and they tell me, I wish I would have found you 10 years ago. You know, my husband had failed back surgery and he's been suffering with the chronic pain for all these years, and now with spinal decompression therapy and the care you do in your office, he's so much better. I wish I would have found you a long time ago. Or the parent with a child with attention deficit that is suffering in school and has been on the medications for years. They tell me, I really wish I would have learned about your practice a long time ago and the interactive metronome and how that helps kids with attention deficit disorder. Or the person with fibromyalgia, with chronic pain, chronic insomnia, that says, well, I wish I would have found out about you, Dr. Childs, a long time ago. You know, maybe I wouldn't have been on all these medications and I would have gotten better with the oxygen therapy and the brain-based care you do in our office. So we've had some incredible success with these conditions. And if you go even down a little further on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an area that says testimonials. And in that, you'll be able to click on back pain, for instance, and you'll be able to find a whole bunch of different testimonials of patients we've helped with back pain. You can click on fibromyalgia, and there'll be a list of fibromyalgia patients, their testimonials and how we've helped them. Now, the reason why we're so successful in treating these cases is because we do brain-based neurological care. We're one of the only practices that I know of. In fact, I think we're the only practice in Chester County that combines neurological brain-based care, non-surgical spinal decompression therapy, biomechanical care, and functional nutrition based on specific blood tests and lab panels. And that's why we're so successful. So we do things a little differently. We want to look at the whole person, not just the diagnosis. We want to look at the big picture. Now, what's the big picture? Well, number one, the brain and nervous system control everything in your body. Again, the brain and nervous system is the master system, and it needs two things. It needs fuel and it needs activation. Nervous system needs those things. What is fuel? Fuel is the nutrition that you give your body, and it's also the oxygen. That's why we do nutrition in our office. We do, again, blood-based, metabolic-based nutrition. We also do oxygen therapy in our office, and there's information on this website about oxygen therapy because the brain needs fuel. Activation is all the specific treatments that we do for the brain. So what we do in our office is we do specific testing. We look at you as a whole. We're going to find out what your weaknesses are. We're going to find out what your strengths are so we can develop a specific care plan to help you with the problem that you have. So look at this website, go through, watch some of the videos on the website, learn about the problem that you have questions about, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at our office. You can contact us at 610-518-3370. So thanks a lot. Enjoy the website.